Ever found yourself staring at your HubSpot subscription, wondering if you're getting your money's worth? Especially when it comes to those meetings. The ones that are supposed to drive deals, close clients, and streamline your entire sales process. But then you look at the price tag and think, wait, how much is this actually costing me? Yeah, me too. We've all been there, trying to decipher the labyrinth of HubSpot's pricing, especially when you're focusing on the nitty-gritty of scheduling and meeting management. It's not just about the subscription fee, is it? It's about the value you extract, the time you save, and the deals you close. It's about whether that meeting link is a magic wand or just another expense. So let's cut through the noise. We're going to dive deep into the real cost of HubSpot meetings. We're not just talking about the sticker price, we're talking about the hidden costs, the value propositions, and how to make sure you're getting the absolute most bang for your buck. First off, let's address the elephant in the room, HubSpot's pricing structure. It's tiered, it's feature-rich, and it can be a bit overwhelming. You've got your Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub, and Operations Hub, each with its own set of features and pricing levels. And guess what? Meeting scheduling is sprinkled across several of them. Now, you might be thinking, just tell me the number. But it's not that simple. The cost of HubSpot meetings isn't a fixed price. It's woven into the fabric of your overall HubSpot subscription. If you're using the free tools, you'll have access to basic meeting scheduling. But if you want the advanced features, things like round-robin scheduling, custom meeting links, and deeper integration with your CRM, you'll need to upgrade. Let's break it down by HubSpot Hubs. The Sales Hub is where most of the advanced meeting features reside. In the starter tier, you get basic meeting scheduling, which is perfect for solo entrepreneurs or small teams. As you move up to the professional and enterprise tiers, you unlock more powerful tools. In the professional tier, you gain access to features like team meeting links, which allow you to automatically distribute meetings among your sales reps. This is a game changer for larger teams looking to optimize their scheduling process and ensure leads are connected with the right people quickly. You also get custom meeting links, which can be branded and tailored to specific campaigns, adding a touch of professionalism and consistency to your outreach. The enterprise tier takes things even further with advanced reporting and analytics. You can track meeting performance, identify bottlenecks, and optimize your scheduling strategy to maximize conversion rates. This level of insight is invaluable for large organizations with complex sales processes. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the features. It's about the time you save. Think about all the back-and-forth emails you'd have to send to coordinate a meeting without HubSpot's scheduling tools. Are you free Tuesday at 2 p.m.? No. How about Wednesday at 10 a.m.? Sorry, I'm booked. How about? You get the picture. HubSpot eliminates this endless loop, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Closing deals. And let's not forget the integration with your CRM. When a prospect books a meeting through your HubSpot link, their information is automatically populated in your CRM, creating a seamless flow of data. This eliminates manual data entry, reduces the risk of errors, and ensures your sales team has all the information they need at their fingertips. Now, let's talk about the hidden costs. It's not just the subscription fee you need to consider. It's also the opportunity cost of not using these tools effectively. Are you maximizing the potential of your meeting links? Are you leveraging the data insights to improve your scheduling strategy? One common mistake is failing to customize your meeting links. A generic link is easily overlooked. By branding your links and tailoring them to specific campaigns, you can increase engagement and improve conversion rates. Another hidden cost is the time wasted on no-shows. HubSpot's meeting reminders can help reduce no-shows by sending automated notifications to your attendees. But are you using these reminders effectively? Are you sending timely and relevant reminders? And what about the value proposition? How much is a closed deal worth to your business? If HubSpot's meeting tools help you close just one extra deal per month, the return on investment can be significant. It's about weighing the cost of the subscription against the potential revenue generated. Let's also touch on the value of consistent branding. When your clients see consistent branding across all your communications, including your meeting links, it builds trust and credibility. This can be a subtle but powerful factor in closing deals. Now, let's get practical. How can you ensure you're getting the most out of your HubSpot meetings? First, take the time to customize your meeting links. Brand them, tailor them to specific campaigns, and make them visually appealing. Second, leverage HubSpot's meeting reminders. Set up automated reminders to reduce no-shows and keep your attendees engaged. Third, use the data insights to optimize your scheduling strategy. Track meeting performance, identify bottlenecks, and make adjustments as needed. Fourth, integrate your meeting links with your CRM to ensure a seamless flow of data and eliminate manual data entry. Fifth, train your sales team on how to use HubSpot's meeting tools effectively. Make sure they understand the features and benefits, and encourage them to experiment and find what works best for them. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different scheduling strategies, test different meeting link designs, and see what resonates with your audience. Remember, the cost of HubSpot meetings isn't just about the money you spend. It's about the value you create. It's about the time you save, the deals you close, and the relationships you build. So, to answer the initial question, how much is HubSpot meeting cost? The answer is, it depends. It depends on your subscription tier, your usage, and the value you extract. But more importantly, it depends on how effectively you leverage these tools to drive your business forward. It's about seeing the investment, not just the expense. It's about recognizing that a well-optimized meeting scheduling process can be a powerful driver of growth. Look at your own workflow. Are you using the free version and finding it limiting? Is your sales team spending more time on scheduling than selling? Are you losing leads due to missed meetings or inefficient follow-ups? These are the real costs you need to consider. And ultimately, the true cost of HubSpot meetings is what you don't gain by not using them effectively. The missed opportunities, the lost deals, the time wasted. So, take a good look at your HubSpot subscription. Dive into the meeting tools. Experiment, optimize, and see the difference it can make. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.